I think that's recording now. Hello, I'm testing, doing a little test. Let's take those off. Let's take that off. Hello, I have to synchronize audio from this guy to this guy. So just do a little test, because still haven't done it. I got heaps of video and audio from the Amends tour that I would like to, the first weekend of the Amends tour that I would like to sift through. But to do that, I have to be smart about audio and video sync. So let's figure out how to do that. Should be fun. And also, I'd like to make more videos for fun. So let's have some fun time with the computer and the camera and the internet. I could also, hang on, I use this so that I don't have to. I could also use this as a prop. You thought I was talking into a tape recorder? No, dum-dum. It's a microphone still, a good microphone. This is like a cool concept to use to make stuff. I think I recorded a bunch of soundscapes on it and some like guitar singing songs like 5 years ago, and all of it was unusable because the sound of the tape engine in fact, that might be some music that I made using this. Unusable. Which is really fun because I think it cost me like $60 when you factor in shipping from America. And microcassettes, not cheap, but I will blame Mr. Heimbach for that. Internet synthesizer people for tricking me into thinking that buying outdated tape technology was going to make my compositions cooler. Turns out they didn't. I barely used it. Lesson learned. This is on max volume, by the way. Anyway, lesson learned. If you shake it around while you play, it warps the audio a little bit. Pretty fun. That sounds like an actual composition I made, recorded to tape. So glad that's on this format and not something useful that I can use on my computer easily. Worth noting, hit record on the audio recorder, not just the camera. Teehee. There's a lot of blank space back here. Door, flags from emo band and rapper, and guitars in the back. Don't worry about the chair wardrobe. Could do something with all this empty space. Back here. Could be some editing fun. This is not how you edit. Doing it manually is probably a really dumb idea. Might actually make the video worse. But this could be cool. Some cool stuff in there. We'll see. Anyway, let's stop getting distracted and actually put this dang old thing together. Because I need some projects. But let me know what I should put here. Could be good. Bye-bye. Anyway, hey, it's been nice talking to you. Let's do this again. Bye.